Pakistan has stepped up diplomatic engagement aimed at easing tensions in the Middle East as Islamabad hosted a series of high level meetings with the foreign ministers of Turkey and Egypt ahead of a key quadrilateral dialogue. Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister Ishaq Dar held separate meetings in Islamabad with Turkey's Foreign Minister Hakan Fidan and Egypt's Foreign Minister Dr. Badr Abdulati on Sunday. According to Pakistan's Foreign Office, both meetings reaffirmed a shared commitment to deepen cooperation across all areas of mutual interest. The discussions took place on the sidelines of a 2 day quadrilateral meeting bringing together the foreign ministers of Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, Turkey, and Egypt. The mechanism is being viewed as an important diplomatic platform focused on de escalation efforts and regional coordination amid ongoing tensions linked to the conflict involving Iran. Although neither the United States nor Iran is participating in the Islamabad meeting, diplomats view the gathering as a preparatory step toward broader diplomatic engagement and possible future talks between Washington and Iran. During his meeting with Turkish Foreign Minister Hakan Fidan, Ishaq Dar reaffirmed Pakistan's commitment to expanding cooperation with Turkey across all sectors. The Foreign Office said Dar highlighted the historic and fraternal ties between the two countries rooted in shared history, culture, and mutual respect, and expressed satisfaction with the positive trajectory of bilateral relations. Both sides reviewed the full spectrum of bilateral cooperation and explored avenues to strengthen their long-standing strategic partnership. The leaders also exchanged views on recent regional developments, including the evolving situation in Iran, and emphasized dialogue and sustained diplomatic engagement as essential for promoting peace and stability. Pakistan and Turkey reiterated their unwavering support for each other's core national interests and agreed to maintain close coordination while continuing efforts to deepen strategic cooperation. Earlier, Dar also met Egyptian Foreign Minister Dr. Badr Abdulati. The Foreign Office described Abdulati's visit as a follow-up to recent high-level engagements between the two countries, including discussions held in Riyadh earlier this month and Abdulati's visit to Pakistan in November 2025. Both sides reviewed bilateral relations and expressed satisfaction with growing defense and security cooperation, agreeing to further strengthen collaboration through training exchanges and institutional mechanisms. They also stressed the importance of enhancing trade and investment ties, activating bilateral mechanisms such as Joint Ministerial Commission, and promoting business-to-business linkages. Dar appreciated Egypt's continued support in Pakistan's health sector, particularly cooperation aimed at combating hepatitis C. The two sides also discussed developments in the Middle East, underscoring the need for restrained de-escalation and resolving disputes through dialogue and diplomacy. Pakistan reaffirmed its support for the Palestinian people and condemned what it described as continued aggression by Israeli occupying forces in Gaza and the West Bank. Dar also acknowledged Egypt's role in facilitating humanitarian assistance to Gaza, including support for Pakistan's relief efforts. Both countries agreed to continue close coordination at multilateral forums, including the United Nations and the Organization of Islamic Cooperation. The quadrilateral meeting, chaired by Ishaq Dar, is expected to include in-depth discussions on regional tensions and diplomatic efforts to reduce escalation. Participants are also scheduled to call on Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif. Turkish and Egyptian foreign ministers arrived in Pakistan ahead of the talks, while Saudi Arabia's Foreign Minister Prince Faisal bin Farhan Al Saud is expected to join later. Pakistan's diplomatic outreach comes amid heightened regional tensions following United States and Israeli strikes on Iran on February 28 and Tehran's subsequent retaliatory actions. Islamabad has been engaging Washington, Gulf capitals, and other Muslim countries to create space for dialogue. The quadrilateral meeting was initially planned to be held in Turkey but was shifted to Islamabad due to Dar's involvement in efforts linked to facilitating potential US-Iran talks. Diplomatic sources indicate discussions involving US Secretary of State Marco Rubio and Iranian Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi could take place in Islamabad around Tuesday. All the developments remain dependent on events unfolding in the coming days. German Foreign Minister Johann Wadephol has also said that a direct US-Iran meeting could take place in Pakistan very soon.